Worth it ba talaga ang 45 waterproof housing for your Insta360? Kung mostly land shooting lang ang ginagawa mo, this type of case may be more than what you need. Pero kung diving, swimming, surfing, or other water activities ang content mo, doon nagiging relevant yung main feature nito. A listed waterproof depth of 45 meters. The housing uses of PC optical tempered glass lens plus 316 stainless steel and silicone components in the waterproof assembly. May dual cold shoe openings din for compatible accessories. One thing to remember, this is specifically made for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and Ace Pro. So compatibility should be your first check. Kung pasok sa shooting needs mo, tingnan mo yung complete specifications before choosing.